Welcome to coimbatore-sexologist.com. In this page of my website, I have given the details about how to grade the erection for men. This picture shows from 0% erection to 90%. Usually we can put it as 100% when it reaches the abdomen. This is assessed when the man is aroused, say before masturbation or before sex, in a standing position. Usually the penis in the resting stage is pointing downwards and it is considered as 0% erection or resting stage. Usually the size of the penis is 2 inches or sometimes more. This size need not be of a concern to anyone. Next comes the early arousal period, where the organ is raising to 30% erection, which is called the partial erection, or when this is the maximum erection one person gets. Ultimately it is called a poor erection, and the organ is also of small size. This is actually when the man is standing erect. The organ takes up to 50% erection when it is parallel to the ground. It may be hard or soft. So when it is hard, it is considered as 50 plus, and when it is soft, it is considered as 50 minus. This is also called a partial erection or poor erection or small size when it is soft. See, this is actually the organ is raising beyond the 50%, or it is no more parallel to the ground. It is it's reaching up to the abdomen. This is called a 70% erection or a good erection. This is hard, usually hard and strong, and the size might be 3.5 and above. A normal Indian men's penis size is 5 inches in length and 4 inches in circumference. This is called a 90% erection when it is hard and the erect penis touches the lower abdomen. It is considered as 100%. Usually the 100% erection is seen only between the 15 years to 25 years men. So you need not worry when you have only 50 to 70% erection with hardness. So this picture is given to make you understand about your erection, so that you can guide yourself whether you are normal or you are having some problem. Compare your erection when you were 17 to 18 years, 25 years, and then when you are at this age. Usually 50% erection which is hard is enough to penetrate the female's vagina, but when it comes to the newly married couple, the man needs at least 70% erection to penetrate the virgin hymen. So usually the erection of the men is considered very important when they get newly married, and once they start doing sex, once they have penetrated the vagina, then it becomes a very easy process. This is common actually now. That's an important point I just want to make note now. Newly married men face a lot of problems during sex. Their erection during masturbation might have been 70%, but he finds that he is unable to penetrate, not able to enter the vagina during intercourse. They run to different doctors who are not in a position to research this condition. This happens because of the reduction in the blood flow to the corpora, the erection producing tissues. This has to be improved by proper treatment. So you have to come in person to have the test done and consult the sexologist here in our clinic, the sexologist Chinnaswamy. This is our phone number, and you can sure come with your complaints and have a proper examination and counseling with proper treatment and improvement. Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe and come back to visit our website also.